Hi everyone! So for today's video guys, summertime, summer 2024 sa Europe, Croatia. And every time it's summer, so hindi mawawala ang beach. So itong Trogir guys, it's ang ganda ng beach nila. And we had a lot of fun and enjoyed. So guys, the nature view is very, no amount of money, can exchange when it comes to beach, nature view, everything with your family as well. So itong ŠALDUN, ang pangalan ng beach. It's a Trogir boundary sa Trogir and Trogir itself. And guys, so ang sunset dito ang ganda. Even if it's 8:40 is the sunset. And then this one is 8:30 pa. So umuwi kami ng 8:30, 12 to 8:30. So guys, enjoy the video and mag-i-intro muna tayo. Hello! Happy day world! Welcome to the Porenay in Croatia. Zdravo svima, dobrodošli na moj kanal. Good day everyone! Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ug mayong adlaw, Cebu! Babi. Oh, it's so nice.
Hrvatska vatrogasna
Marina.
Tutsina. We look. Big cars.
That's a big car, yeah. Cars.
This guy likes chocolate.
Here. No space. Oh, boshimoy.
Čekaj, vi ste uzeli na ono bed and breakfast. Bed, nego good and breakfast.
What is this place? It's Lakeland Split. Yeah. Parking man. Yeah. Camp Rujat. Next time I bring umbrella. It's so hot.
Open more. Angela, Tata, Spanya. Dia postulata.
Ay, many. So now, so this is water. Everything is water. Because it's a isolation. Okay, you do massage, Tata. Huh? Yeah. Ah, chuway, beba. There she. Yan, umalis na. Papunta na ng Trogir ang ship dito. So, ayan na sila, papa. Ayan na, dyan. Hello, Bobby. Hello. Good. Oh, wow, so hot. Hello, Bobby. Oh, привещи вруче. Doji! Oh, sladalin. Yan ang ating anakis. Wow, it's a... Wow! Dahil to, tita. Dahil, tita. Oh, ni Tidro Gustrano. Dahil. Cheddary. Ay, de. Osmi. Starich mama. Pala. Knock. We gonna sit down first, okay? Here's my pistachio. So we go home na. Kainit. Grabe ka ito. Init. Pedro. Italian song. Pedro. Ganda guys, this is shipyard. Yan yung parking, nakapark kami dyan. And that's the end of the video. I hope you like it. If you did, please give me a like, share, comments, and subscribe. This has been Mel from the Porina in Croatia. Blessings to all, Papa.